Hi everyone, we are out here in Clintonville. Just wanted to give you a little update. Myself and my photographer were in the area of 15th Street around 9 o'clock this morning when for the first time we actually heard these booms that people had been claiming they've been hearing since 9:30 last night. We heard a series of them. I sort of described it as it sounded like fireworks in the distance. My photographer thought it almost kind of sounded like a shotgun in the distance. He even felt a little bit of vibrations on the ground. But that was the first time all morning that we had seen or felt anything that people were claiming has been happening since last night. So there you go, just a little update here from Clintonville. Keep it here on fox11online.com for the latest.